All right, getting a breakdown on today. Welcome to day.
So tired.
Welcome to the last full day in Vietnam.
Jeez Louise. I don't know what we did this morning. Oh yeah, we went out to, we went out with Khoi, and we went to like a market, and we got some like market food. It was like a half market where they were like selling like jewelry and like coffees and stuff, and it was like true street market. And we also had food. It was pretty good. I had just eaten breakfast and wasn't that hungry. We got like a lot of food, so kind of felt bad. We left a lot, but it was good. And then after that, we went and got more food. We got pizza from like a Japanese pizza place that Khoi really likes.
Pizza 4Ps.
Pizza 4Ps, yeah, which was actually really good. Like I wasn't that hungry, but I still ate like a slice. We got like a teriyaki chicken and like a 4 cheese, and it was good. And then after that, we went to like an actual market, and I got to buy
some definitely authentic
Travis Scott shoes for $60 US.
So to give a little context to the non-sneakerheads out there, brand new was like 160, 180 bucks, but it very quickly sold out and now sells secondhand market for like $1,800 to $1,900 in this size. So Jack, being the amazing shopper that he is, found a definitely not counterfeit pair. Got him down a little bit, negotiated down. These are actually really good quality. I'm pretty impressed. They had some terrible pairs for like 20 bucks, but these ones are actually pretty good. And 60 bucks out the door, could be worse. Fun little memento from our time here in Vietnam. Yes, we went to a ridiculous, crazy like counterfeit. It's the entire like Saigon Center, Saigon Square.
One of those two.
One of them is like a legit mall. One of them is a not legit mall. But very interesting, both of them. And then what did we do after that? Went and got more. We got matcha.
Oh, we got good matcha. Got matcha, then went back to Khoi's house. We had laundry that we had to do, so we did a little bit of laundry. And then we came... then we went to a drone show.
We had dinner.
Oh, we had dinner first.
We had a crazy dinner.
I had snails for the first time.
The saliva test they send to the US, and then the US do the analyze gene.
Right. Okay.
Có bắp xào đấy, bắp xào.
Octopus?
Where's the octopus? Where's the octopus?
Mẹ cho mẹ với ba là người đi nước bạn nha.
I think it's still alive. That's good. Very good.
Not bad, but Khoi's sister was like, "Oh, you guys are flying out in the morning? Yeah, I wouldn't eat those because there's a chance that you're gonna have diarrhea." Which wasn't the best thing to hear before a like 24-hour
Before you ate them?
flight. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, she said that after I ate 2 of them. But it was good. Had a good dinner overall, and then from there, a couple of Khoi's friends came over. Great guys. And then we went to a drone show. That was really, really cool. Kind of liked it more than fireworks, to be honest. It was cool. And then after that, went back to Khoi's, hung out for a little bit. Came back here, and we will be leaving in like less than 6 hours.
Yeah, we got a long flight tomorrow. Flight's at 7:30 a.m. We gotta be out of here probably at like 4 because there's the potential that the airport is going to be a nightmare.
Yeah.
This reunification holiday celebration is like the biggest celebration in 50 years. So the city has been hectic all weekend and it's only ramping up. So we're hoping that tomorrow morning, being that early, will be less busy. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the time here in Saigon. We certainly did, even if we didn't do a great job of documenting and sharing it. But thanks for coming along. We'll see you guys tomorrow if you want to watch the last leg of our trip while we suffer. Well, suffer is a bit extreme. It's not that bad. But hopefully Khoi's sister wasn't right about the food choices.
Yeah.
So we may be suffering. We'll see. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Adios.
Like this that we can talk through.